back to our page. We are heading out to L and R Autobody this morning to go work on the Land Cruiser. Before we head out, there are new Recaro seats. Can you guys guess what project that's going in? Leave the comments below. We're gonna head out today to work on the Land Cruiser and get it ready. We got a couple options today. We're gonna either take the hybrid Ioniq, the turbocharged Mustang, or the Land Cruiser. Follow us on our journey. Thanks for liking the page. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you guys at the shop. So we just bolted in the front Roadwire seats, and now we're gonna be installing the second row and the third row. So check it out. Franco's working on the new rear seats. So Roadwire did the second row and the third row for us. So go backwards, beep, beep, beep. Don't hit the door. We'll be installing these right now. So we're putting back the factory housing for the new Japanese taillights. If you don't have the housing and you just install the taillight flaps. So factory housing's going back in, and then the new taillights. Oh, here are the new Japanese taillights. Paroramos. ¿Cómo estás? Paroramos. That's Japanese taillights in Spanish, for all of you who don't speak Spanish. Paroramos. So today we're installing the new Japanese taillights, using the factory housing, replacing all the bulbs to make sure everything works. What's wrong with this picture? Trying to fit this into there. Square peg into a round hole. Not gonna work. So Franco is gonna trim. Some people call it ghetto. We call it innovating. He's gonna trim the back to fit so we can install the lights. Little customization. Perfect fitment. Is that mess you're going through? Look at Michael Jordan on his neck. Alright, what are we looking for in this mess? No! There's a loud Mexican man yelling at us. We don't understand him. We don't understand this giant mess. You know it's not acid. You can touch it, look. You can touch it.
This is for the seats. The covers.
Oh, that's good. Franco, look what Luis did. Yeah, that doesn't work, Luis. It's broken, like your face. So this is when you leave your custom bumpers at Luis's house for a month. This is how dirty they get. So what we're gonna do right now is clean these custom bumpers by Unique Fabrication and side steps, test fit them, and get them installed. Where's your pendejos? Gracias. Pendejos. Pendejos is wiener in Spanish. What a rich guy looks like.
Es este.
It looks like he just painted them, but all he did was clean the dust off. I mean, beep. How do you say? How do you say? No, I want you to hold it all day. So the guys at Unique use the factory locations.
¿Tienes una lámpara? No, no sigues.
I'm gonna run to the other side of the car to film Spiky. Oh! You can't see anything from under here. But, oh, there you go.
Hey, they pre-fit them, right?
Yes, sir.
Sí, a veces los.
Look at this sexy man. This whole video is about this sexy man. His name is Luis Rodriguez.
Pero sabes que Franco, voy a agarrar más largo.
Oh!
I'm gonna get him.
All right, it's really uncomfortable underneath the Land Cruiser. So we're gonna go back to the other side.
Hey, that's how they are, right? Like, oh, because it's like that, huh? Okay.
This guy's not only the best painter in town, he's the best housekeeper too. We love Luis. Check it out, the Unique Fabrication rear bumper. It's been installed. Fitment is perfect. I'm gonna show you guys lowering the hatch so you guys can see the clearance. It's dead on. Look how close. Perfect clearance. Great job by Mike and the guys at Unique and the guys at L and R for the installation. am super stoked how this is coming out. Check out the orange Roadwire seats. The side steps by Unique Fabrication. Right there. Beep, beep. Interior. So the lighting doesn't do it justice, but these Roadwire seats, the orange leather is super dope. So front seats in, back seats in, Delta roof tray in, third row going in tomorrow. So big thanks to our friends at Roadwire for completely changing the interior of the Land Cruiser. Bright orange leather. It's gonna look super fly. We are done. Oh, there's Luisa's mom. All good. It was a good day. We got the Roadwire interior in, got the taillights, the new ladder. So we're heading out to pick the kids up from school. We'll be back tomorrow to put the finishing touches. So thanks for joining. You guys like the page. Remember to subscribe, like, leave some comments. Woof. It is a beautiful, bright day in Southern California. It's hot as huevos, as Luis would like to say. So thanks again for checking out the page. Leave some comments, subscribe, and if you don't mind, share with your friends. Soon we'll be working on our next SEMA project, so it's exciting. Keep following back and checking us out. Thanks, guys. This video is dedicated to Dean Alexander Carr, our 4-year-old friend from Miami who had a tough fight with brain cancer. And he loved cars, and we love him. We'll miss you, and rest in peace, Dean, and we'll see you soon.
Whoa, this is my most favorite car that I ever seen here. Wait. What's gonna work all those things in the car? Even look at this side.
It is the letter S. What else is in there? That's amazing, right? How do you feel?
Like the looking. Oh, this one heavy. This one opens. See? What is this? What is this stuff?
You need help?